I got my cake up now, but I cannot forget all the times you used to say to me. Do you remember that? Do you remember that? 'Cause I remember that.
Popped it, popped it, popped it. We want to smoke where the Glock it. We aiming for where it's top it. Internet beef and we gon' make them stop that, huh?
Hey guys. Oh my fuck. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome to my channel. Today we doing a wig video. I'm about to lay my frontal. About to lay this wig. I just flat ironed it and stuff and all that. It's my orange wig. And I didn't really get to show y'all this wig for real, because I only wore it in like one video, I think. But I'm about to lay it right now. And yeah, let's get into the video. Like when I do my hair, I always watch YouTube videos whenever I do my hair. Like I don't know, I be bored. I never do the ball cap method when I'm just laying my hair. Oh, my computer got 3 minutes left. Hold on. I never usually do the ball cap method whenever I'm just laying my wigs like regularly, but I think I'm gonna do it today. Yeah, because I'm trying to slay this wig. Slay this wig, because I flat ironed it real nice. I don't want to just put it on and look bummy like.
Damn, Jacob, this shit crack.
I look crazy right now, but I'm doing a side part on this wig, so I'm probably only gonna lay like up to here, so that's why I'm not pulling this side down for real. Pro at this, y'all, so don't be judging me in the comments. I just be doing what I think is right, so like all my wig cap is inside out. Bye.
So dumb. You are really dumb. For real.
Now I'm about to put on the wig. And by the way, I dyed this myself. I was honestly like, it's crazy because I was going for a brown mixed with like a blonde, but I ended up with an orange. But there's some blondes in there. You gotta look through it. So I don't use Ghost Bomb, but I'm actually gonna buy Ghost Bomb soon. But I use the got2b free spray.
Oh my God.
What are you doing?
I'm dead. Okay, so I'm about to lay it down before I do my edges because I don't want to do my edges right after I just laid it down, because then watch it start lifting. Now I'm about to wait like 10 minutes probably, I think, and be back. Yeah, so it's been a while, and now I'm about to take the scarf off. I forgot I double knotted it. Hold on. Ear feel like it's been sweating. What the heck? Oh, that just came right. Okay, this is how it like turned out. I'm trying to have the light like show it, but yeah. Look at bruh. Now I'm about to do just a little bit of edges. I'm just about to like swoop here, oh, a little swoop here, a little swoop there, a little some, and then I'm about to fix my my curl, because I'm about to do a little curl right there. I just started doing this. I laid my wig edges and my natural edges with this Shining Jam. Lots of people use mousse, but like I feel like when I use mousse, that makes my lace start lifting, like cause it's like wet. But I like to use this because even when you use Eco, like Eco be too much. I don't know. But this jam is like likes that, you know? Likes that.
Damn, Jacob, this shit crack. Damn, Jacob, this shit crack.
I got my cake up now, but I cannot forget all the times you used to say to me. Do you remember that? Do you remember that? 'Cause I remember that.
Okay, y'all, so this is the end result. This is the look. Okay, period. Got the little bang or whatever. Okay, got the edges, and that's it. That's all for this video. Share this video with your friends. Show them how to, you know, slay they bobs, you know. Okay, bye guys.
Hello stranger, it's been a minute since we last kicked it.